Hello everyone and welcome back to Neil Explains. Today I come with this mathematical problem, and this is 30 divided by 5 into 2 plus n minus 4. So this is very tricky question. Okay, but as you know, we solve this in by step and with PEMDAS. First, we will operate this parenthesis part. So 30 divided by 5, which gives result 6. 5 into 6, that is equal to 30. And we test the same 10 minus 4. Okay. Now, according to PEMDAS, first we have to do multiplication. So here 6 into 2, which equals to 12, plus 10 minus 4. And in the next step, we have to add 12 and 10 and then subtract 4. So when we add 12 plus 10, we will get 22 minus 4. And for final answer, we have to subtract 4 from 22. Okay. Then here we can write 22 minus 4, which equals to 18. So here 18 will be the right answer. And if you want good math books, go and check out our description and comment your own answer. I will give heart. Okay, thanks for watching and subscribe our channel for more videos like this.